heart is the transport system pump. The delivery routes are the blood vessels. Using blood as the transport medium, the heart propels oxygen, nutrients, wastes, and other substances to and past the body cells. Your goals for: choose an anatomy view, then click the heart to see an enlargement. Click the heart to see a superficial cutaway view. Click the heart to see a deep cutaway view. Click the heart to see an external view. Click the heart to see a superficial cutaway view. Click the heart to see a deep cutaway view. Click the heart to see an external view. Click the heart to see. This animation shows the same information that we saw on the previous page. Oxygen-poor blood is pumped from the right side of the heart to the lungs. Here it receives oxygen and travels back to the heart. This pathway is a pulmonary circuit, so called because of the lungs. The pathway for the systemic circuit includes the entire body, as the left side of the heart pumps oxygen-rich blood out to the body's tissues and organs. After the blood's oxygen is depleted, it returns to the right side of the heart via the venous system. Let's take a look at a magnified view of the heart wall. In these histological sections, we see three typical structures found in heart muscle: nuclei, intercalated discs, and cardiac myofibrils. Let's consider the two kinds of cell junctions in the intercalated discs. The desmosomes are anchoring junctions that hold adjacent cells together. When the muscle cells contract, they pull against each other, and the desmosomes keep the heart from literally pulling itself apart. The other type of junction, the gap junction, is important for a different reason. Gap junctions allow the stimulating impulse to move across the heart from cell to cell, so that the heart beats as an entire unit. Without gap junctions, each cardiac muscle cell would contract alone, and the heart would be useless as a pump. Here's a summary of what we've covered. The heart consists of 4 chambers: the right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, and left ventricle. The right atrium receives oxygen-poor blood from the systemic veins. Blood moves to the right ventricle and is pumped out the pulmonary arteries to the lungs. The left atrium receives oxygenated blood from the pulmonary veins. Blood moves to the left ventricle and is pumped out the systemic arteries to body tissues.